Hello friends, welcome back to Farah's kitchen. Today we're going to make date and walnuts cake or cupcakes, ideal for kids tiffin and tea time snacks. It's easy, super quick and healthy as it requires half the amount of sugar and flour required in any other cake. Ingredients required for this are dates. These are deseeded dates and I've cut into small pieces. Walnuts, crushed. Almonds, melted butter. Vanilla essence, baking soda, sugar, all-purpose flour, egg. Initially, take the deseeded dates, add in baking soda and soak it in hot boiling water for around half an hour or till the dates are soft enough. You will require around 1.5 cup of hot boiling water. Keep it for half an hour and then make a smooth paste out of it. Meanwhile, take a big pot and add in sugar, melted butter and whisk it with a hand whisker. Add in vanilla essence, then the egg and just keep whisking it till the sugar dissolves. Then add in the chopped walnuts, all-purpose flour, baking soda and the date paste and just keep whisking it till no lumps are formed and smooth paste till you get. You do not require an electric cake beater to it, hand whisker is enough. This is easy and super quick recipe. Meanwhile, you can preheat the oven at 150 degrees centigrade. Line the cupcake molds and if you're not using a cupcake liner, you can grease the mold so that the cupcakes do not stick to it. Fill in the molds, half or 3/4 of the mold and keep it. Top it with almonds. Bake it for around 25 to 30 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. Once done, check it with a toothpick. If it's clear, our cupcakes are ready. These are super quick and easy and it is healthy too. These are moist and soft. Please do try it and leave your comments and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe the channel. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching Farah's Kitchen. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Stay blessed.